Okay, wanted to show you, first of all, I found the Dollar Tree $1.25 turntables. And a real nifty find is these streamers for $1.25. They're pretty long and they go over doorways and pretty wide. All right, so the measurements are, looks like 6.5 feet long by 38.4 inches wide. So, but I got several of these. These are the iridescent rainbow turquoise, my color. A Hawaiian sort of one. With all the summer colors. I also bought some for upstairs in my master. Yeah. And rose gold, guys. So that was jackpot. Lexi says, show me some love and subscribe to Mommy's channel.